Hi everybody, you're welcome back to my channel. This is JAMB Tutorials, and JAMB Tutorials, as you already know, is an educational channel on YouTube, Facebook and on TikTok. In today's lesson, I want us to look at this question on the board. I want us to look at this question on the board, and this question is on pronouns. Okay, now in our class today, in our intensive online class, our revision class, because we study revisions this month, in our revision classes we considered pronouns, okay, and we answered questions on the past questions on pronouns, and we learned the different types of pronouns: reflexive pronouns, personal pronouns, indefinite pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, distributive pronouns. We learned all the types of pronouns in the English language, and we answered questions on pronouns. Okay, like I told you guys in my previous videos, there's an app we are using in revision classes. This app has a feature that enables us to revise topic by topic. Okay, the topics are in the syllabus. We are able to answer questions on them topic by topic. Okay, this is one of the questions we looked at in our online classes, so I want us to look at it in this video. Now, in case you've not joined us, use the number that is on the screen to send me a WhatsApp message. Okay, send me a WhatsApp message immediately if you are taking JAMB UTME this year. If you want to pass, if you are serious and really want to pass, just in case you didn't know, in 2025 JAMB has registered over 2 million people. That means the competition this year is high. Okay, this is the highest number JAMB has ever registered, so the competition this year is really high. So you need to actually do very well in this year's JAMB UTME if you really want to gain admission. Okay, you really need to put in more effort in this year's JAMB UTME to gain admission. The competition this time is tougher than it has ever been. In our online classes, we are more serious than we have ever been. We are more serious than we have ever been in our previous years of conducting lessons for JAMB UTME candidates. Okay, we are having revisions right now, and we're having brainstorming classes, arts brainstorming classes, science brainstorming classes, commercials brainstorming classes. We're having brainstorming classes, we're having revision classes. If you've not joined us and you want to pass, if you really are serious about making it this year, okay, you should join us. And our fee is minimal, just 1,000 naira per subject per month. It's minimal. I made it minimal because the goal is to ensure that I produce high scoring candidates, very high scoring candidates. Our target this year is 350. So I made the fee minimal so I can have as many people as possible join us, and have as many people as possible that can give me this score, okay, based on the lessons we've been having in our online classes since November 4th, 2024. And if you cannot join us since November 4, 2024, you still have a very good opportunity to catch up. You still have a very good opportunity to catch up with our revision classes, topic by topic revision classes. Do not miss it. Do not miss our revision classes. Okay, now I want us to look at this question. Okay, this is one of the questions we consider in the class. Tom and Jim met on the ship and greeted dash. Tom and Jim met on the ship and greeted dash. We have one another, B, themselves, C, each other, and D, themselves. Now, which one is the correct answer? The correct answer to this question is simply option C, each other. Okay, now this question is on reciprocal pronouns. Okay, reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns, there are pronouns that show mutual actions, pronouns that show relationship. Okay, pronouns that show mutual actions and relationships, those are reciprocal pronouns. And reciprocal pronouns are pronouns like each other, one another. Okay, now these are reciprocal pronouns. Okay, each other, one another, these are reciprocal pronouns. Now, why did you not choose option A? Why is option A not the correct answer? Now, option A is not the correct answer because we have Tom and Jim, two people. Okay, Tom, Jim, two people. Now, when you have two people, okay, having a mutual action, when you have two people having a mutual action, you use each other. But if there are more than two people, okay, you use one another. Tom and Jim, two people. Tom and Jim, two people, so you use each other. They greeted each other. Okay, action between two people, action, mutual action, okay, common action between two people. But when you have something like a group, Okay, now you say that the members of the group, okay, the members of the group greeted one another. They greeted one another, okay, because we have more than two people in the group, okay. The members of the church greeted one another. We have more than two people in the church, okay. So when you have more than two people, you use one another. But when you have just two people, okay, having the mutual action, you use each other, okay. So each other is the correct answer. Now themselves, this is a reflexive pronoun, okay. We learned it in class today. We talked about it in details in the class. So this is incorrect. This is also incorrect, okay. You already know. And there's no words like themselves, okay. There's simply no word like themselves, okay. There is simply no word like themselves. So the correct answer is option C. Okay, I have lots of questions on pronouns and we are solving all of them. Though we couldn't solve all of them, all the questions on pronouns in the app that we are using in our classes, we couldn't solve all of them. In our next class, which is going to be on Wednesday, we'll solve the remaining ones and we go to another topic. Okay, so it's important, if you've not joined us, it's important that is if you're serious about making it this year. Okay, if you're serious, just see the number that is on the screen to send me a WhatsApp message. The fee is 1,000 naira, 1,000 naira per subject per month, 1,000 naira per subject per month. Make sure you join us if you really want to pass, if you really want to smash JAMB UTME. I'm so confident because I know what we are doing in our classes. We have this is not just about me. We have teachers who are passionate, teachers who really want to ensure that their students score the highest in their subjects, because it's a competition. There's a reward for any teacher who produces the highest scoring candidate in our classes. Okay, so it's your own advantage. All these strategies are employed to make sure that we achieve our goal of producing 350 plus scorers. Okay, our brainstorming classes are on. Stop wasting time. Okay, stop wasting time. The exam is just next month. Stop wasting time. Okay, there are lots of topics to be covered. Stop wasting time. Okay, so that'll be all for today, and I hope to see those who want to smash JAMB UTME this year in our online classes. Okay, send me a WhatsApp message immediately. Okay, all right, thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys again very soon in another video. Okay, thank you and